Vietnam Blockchain Corporation is a technology company providing blockchain solutions and services in agriculture, manufacturing, supply chain, logistics, e-commerce, sharing economy, FinTech, public services, and smart city. In creating a thriving blockchain community, VBC aims to connect and grow the foundation of Vietnam blockchain community through a variety of ambitious activities. In promoting awareness of blockchain technology and supporting Vietnam talented youth, VBC partners with leading university to advance blockchain academic and training. VBC's regulatory sandbox ambition support local regulatory bodies in facilitating the adoption of blockchain technology. VBC offers industry-leading services and products, including blockchain training, technology consultation, and legal research and advisory. Our credential is a value chain traceability and supply chain management solution applying blockchain technology. Smart Ballot is a blockchain application for transparent voting. COVID Pass is a blockchain-based solution for COVID-19 test certificate. Self-sovereign identity is a blockchain-based digital identification. VB Chain is a blockchain solution for businesses. With over 6 years of operation, VBC has successfully developed more than 15 projects. VBC has cooperated with more than 180 partners, including university, research institutions, government organizations, corporations, enterprises, and strategic partners. Up to now, VBC has received 38 awards and certificates in Vietnam and in other countries in Asia for blockchain technology application achievements. VBC is inspired to empower Vietnam in becoming a blockchain country. Its mission is to build a blockchain expert hub and business gateway from Vietnam to the world.